The Reggae Girlz were on their way to securing their spot in the final round of World Cup qualifying as they're leading the Dominican Republic 4-1 in their crucial Group C encounter in the first round of qualifying at Sabina Park. That's at sports time in second half action. Jody Brown netted in the 15th minute to give Jamaica the lead, but the Dominican Republic levelled proceedings through Cat Gonzalez in the 24th minute. Midfielder Trudy Carter restored the lead for the Reggae Girlz heading into the halftime break, and Tiffany Cameron extended that lead in the 60th minute. Khadija Bunny Shaw then added her name to the score sheet to put Jamaica well on their way to qualification for the CONCACAF round.
And the Spencer alert and alive to all that's happening around her. Coming forward and neutralizing all that threat. The counter-attack is on now for Jamaica. Trudy Carter then to Jody Brown. Brown gets by one. Should be 1-0. Oh!
It is.
It is! Brilliantly converted by Jody Brown. Masterful piece of play. Now up front for Bunny Shaw. But she has come under a very, very good challenge. And it's back with the Dom rep. It's a lively contest now. Vanessa Carter has it for the Dominican Republic. Just about the midway point of the Jamaican half. Driven towards the target. Oh! Brilliantly done. What about that? How about that to get your equalizer in the 24th minute? Conducting that surveillance mission of hers. Cutting inside now. This is Jody Brown masterminding another counter-attacking move. Stopped in her tracks briefly. Bunny Shaw has it now. Somehow she shaped to shoot and then had a change of heart. Trudy Carter! Make that 2-1 to the Reggae Girlz on the stroke of half-time.